Hey everybody, welcome to day 12 of the 12 days of Junkmas. Now today, I'm afraid to say, we're not going to be making anything today because family commitments, it is Christmas and I have got so much to do. But what we are going to do is we're going to go through everything that we have made and have a little run through of the 12 days of Junkmas. And we have got a lot. We have got a lot. Look at all that deliciousness. Now I'm going to go through it, not in any particular order. I'm just going to pick out bits and just go through what I've done, you know, like a flip through. So let's do this first. Look at this. This was the Santa hat. And if you want to re-watch the videos, there is a playlist. So we'll link the playlist in the description box. This was a Santa's hat. And a Santa's hat came in this. And it was in there. And then I added this piece of card. So this was the actual packaging. The Santa hat was folded over there. It was up this way. That's the way it was. And then, yeah, I then turned it into a pocket, a post box pocket, and then we've got a little card just in there that tucks in there, the Santa Claus letter, let me put it behind, that tucks in there, and then we've got another tag in the background there, all decorated, lovely bit of grunged up lace down the bottom. Oh, I love this one. This one was so cool, so cool. Just out of a bit of packaging that Santa hat came in. Amazing. So then we've got our first one, and this is our huge Amazon, I still haven't covered the back, our huge Amazon package, and I just covered it up. I did some acetate with some heat resistant acetate with some stamping on, decorated it, put a magnet in it for the closure, and then yeah, I mean, it's just gorgeous. And then this can go inside here like this. Perfect. Just perfect. And then we've got our most previous video, which is our journal made from a takeaway bag. And we've used the handle as a closure, like so. And then inside we've got a pocket. We've put together I've put together some papers, some Christmas papers, some coffee dyed papers, couple of coffee dyed envelopes. We've got a journal inside here, and we've got another pocket, and then that folds over like that. It's just stapled together, covered with our gorgeous papers. And then again, this can go inside too. That's not going to close. And then we've got our sock. I think this is potentially one of my favourites. We've got our sock packaging, and if we take out our tags, that is the packaging. I didn't put the bottom on it. I know some of you don't agree with that. That's your choice. I like it as it is because it stands up and nothing can come out of it anyway. I'm not going to hang it on the wall. But yeah, so I covered this, and then I made some gorgeous tags to go inside it. Some with journaling spots and stuff. And yeah, I absolutely love this. It was such a fun project. And then it just, look, it stands. See? Doesn't need a bottom. Perfect. Love that. This will not go in the envelope. It will not fit. And then we've got our tag book, where I took loads of different, this was toilet rolls, loads of toilet rolls, cut loads of different shapes, and then made a tag book like so, using lots of the ephemera that we've made as well. So if there isn't 12 items here, it's because that was one of the items that I made in one video. That was another one. All the corrugated card ones. So yeah, so I've used some of the ephemera from what we made, but that was a really cool project. And then I just put it on a book ring, tied some Heidi Swap ribbon around it and some baker's twine, and then we had a perfectly gorgeous tag book. And then we've got this. I can't remember what this was. This was one of those like packagings that I got the watercolor paper in. This, I put this tag on the front because, wow, it just went so perfectly. Some Tim Holtz tape down the side. These at the top and the bottom, they were party paper chains. They were. And then we come inside and we've got a pocket here. And then we've also got, this is a tuck over here too. Ah, I love this. This was a folio. This will fit inside our envelope. But is it going to shut? No, because it's too thick. But wouldn't this just be perfect to gift to somebody with some like snail mail in? So let's put these here. And then we've got another. This was made with, nope, ignore that. That was before. That was the video before we started 12 days of Junkmas. This was a coffee cup sleeve, and I just cut it in half and made two really cool pieces of ephemera. I love those. Those were so cool. That was such an easy project. And then we have one that, oh, I just adore. And this was the tea packaging. I covered it all, and then I covered the edges with washi tape, and then it slides open like that. And when you open it up, you've got a pocket. This was like a travel document pocket thing. We have another pocket over here because it had a flap in the middle, and this is where the tea bags went. We've got two travel tags just in there, and then we've got another travel tag and a little glassine envelope in there that I made in Mass Make March. And then in the back here we have got, let me just try and, we've got like a little travel notebook that I made in Mass Make March, and that just slides in there like so. And then there we go, and that goes in there, and then it all closes up into a nice neat little package. Oh, I loved that one. I really did love that one. Then we've got some hidden paper clips that we made with some clothes tags. I think this one is definitely my favorite. I love it. And then we've got some others. Lots of stamped ephemera. Lots of the ephemera that I got when I cut up all the gift tags. Some Heidi Swap ephemera too. So we've got all those. And I think that's it, because this is all other Christmas projects that I've done. Yeah, this is, like I said, there might not be 12 projects here because we used a lot of the ephemera on our projects. But yeah, look at all this. Let's move all this over. And then we've got, look at all that. Oh, isn't it just yummy? So yummy. So many projects. Well, thank you everybody for being here on this journey with me. I had so much fun. Just, even if we just stack it all together. Like so. Look at everything we made. Isn't that just a pile of just beautiful Christmas projects? Oh, I'm so glad I did this. I think I might even do it every year, the 12 days of Christmas, but I might start from December the 1st. Thank you everybody for being here. Thank you everybody for your support. Don't forget to use the hashtag if you're going to carry on creating over Christmas and you're going to make any of these projects. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope all of you have the most amazing Christmas, and I hope you have a wonderful new year. This is me, Crafty by Toni, signing out. Bye.